Hi guys, I want to show you how I apply my foundation, concealer, contour, and blush. So yeah, let me make my eyebrows, then I come and I already have my primer on. I'm using this one. It's the cheap kind. Already applied the primer. We are gonna use this combo of two foundations. So that's enough. And this one brightens. That's enough. Then we mix. After blending what's left, that is what you put on your forehead. I never put straight on my forehead. Then we take our concealer, we apply. Then we take our other concealer, we apply. This is a brightening concealer. Then we take our brush, we apply the blush. Then we take our contour. So we're gonna start with our concealer, but we're just gonna spread it and let it sit a bit. That we're not doing it too much. Don't move the brightening concealer over here. Don't move it around. Then you turn your beauty blender. See the hash lines? Because here we have foundation, you blur the edges. You see, we've blurred the edges. Now we can finish up on the concealer under the eyes. And some of that concealer, rub it on your eyes lid. Then we take our brush and we start blending the contour. To bring life to the face. Don't move the contour a lot, it should just stay there. So here we untie this and then we blend the contour into our hairline. Then you take your beauty blender and then you finish up with it because it makes it look like skin. Then after that, because this has been sitting, you try and remove all the wrinkle marks, and then you take your setting powder, just a little bit, and you set everything. Make sure you've dabbed it off the excess, and then you set everywhere where there was concealer. And then from there, you take, I do set my face, my whole face with baby powder. I take baby powder, I dab. You see how uneven it is? You even it out. See, you can see it there. Now it's good. Then you set your whole face. That is how I apply my uh, foundation, contour, blush. Then I take my powdered blush, and then I just go over it a little bit. You tap to even it out. Then there you have it. And then if you see like it's harsh, like I can see to some extent it's harsh, I take the one with that had baby powder, and I set everywhere like so. And there we have it. Now you can set your face. And that is how I do my Skin Like foundation, contour, concealer, and blush. Until next time, bye.